Using eBay's money-back guarantee is a straightforward process that ensures a refund if an item does not arrive as expected. The guarantee provides a refund if an item does not arrive, is received damaged, or is not as described. To be eligible for a refund, certain criteria must be met, including completing the purchase process on the website, including payment. The purchase must be resolved directly with the website, without involving third parties. If the issue cannot be resolved with the seller, contact the website's customer service after 3 days. Provide proof of purchase and preferred reimbursement method. The website will review the case and determine if a refund is warranted. If approved, the refund will be processed using the provided payment method. The process is simple and straightforward, providing a convenient way to resolve purchase issues and obtain a refund when necessary.